Hi and welcome to this Yano video recipe. We upload a new recipe every single day, so make sure you're subscribed to not miss out. Today we're cooking toad in the hole. Before we start, take a look at the link in the description below. You can order the pre-measured ingredients to cook this recipe at home. Before you start, preheat the oven to 200 degrees. Pour the oil into a baking tray. Now add the sausages and spread them out evenly. Bake them for 10 minutes in the oven. While the sausages are cooking, mix together the flour, egg and milk in a bowl. Season to taste with salt and pepper. When the sausages are done, remove them from the oven and pour over the batter. Ideally, they will be 3/4 covered in batter. Put the tray back in the oven and bake for 35 minutes. When the batter has risen and is browned, it's cooked. A simple but tasty classic. This toad in the hole recipe is perfect comfort food, filling and delicious. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like this video. We upload a new recipe every single day, so make sure you subscribe to not miss out.